Number 11. Delete hole when the thickness below the setting thickness. For example, the value is 10. Plate is then 10 mm thick. Will delete hole. Number 12. Delete hole when sketch plate border length below the setting length. Such as this is set to 100. Delete hole when sketch plate border length below 100 mm. Number 13. Slot backplate setting. It can be filled in according to the depth of the slot backplate that you need, such as we set to 6, 18, 6. Then we add a slot backplate. So this data is that we just set up. Number 14. Slotting depth. Processing in half. If the choice is yes, between mean thickness and max thickness, the width is slot is equal. The width of slot is equal to half the thickness of backplate and the value of additional. Number 15. Automatically change the thickness of system plate according to the order. When we enable this function, the thickness of the added plate will be automatically set to the thickness of the main plate in the order. Number 16. Cabinet and planet column count setting. Let's open the new product screen. 2 columns are shown here. If you want to set it to 3 or 4 columns, just choose here. Three columns or 4 columns. Modify it. All columns. Number 17. Avoidance of hole position. If you need that automatic staggering of the reverse face when encountering a pair of perforations, you can choose Enable. Number 18. Hardware product wood turning. If you don't need wood turning house, you choose no purchasing. But if you need, you choose purchasing. Number 19. 1 cup plug into Open new product screen, system model. Cabinet parts. one rack. This function is set for one rack 1. Number 20. Automatic locking space when moving below the setting interval. The value is 100. Let's see. Click the plate. Auto set 80. Enter. Click the space. It is fixed. It is fixed.